Our next question is, what is the simplified form of the complex number 3 minus 2i over 1 plus 4i? So, I'm just going to write down the question. Over 1 plus 4i. So, the first thing that we're going to do is multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So the conjugate is almost the same, but in signs it's flipped. So of the denominator. So in this case, our denominator is 1 plus 4i. So we're going to flip it. So 1 minus 4i. So we're going to multiply it by its conjugate times 1 over 4i over 1 minus 4i. Then we're going to perform a FOIL, which is first term, then outer term, and then inner term, and last term. That's what FOIL stands for. First term, outer term, inner term, and last term. Once we multiply this equation in, we are left with 3 minus 12i minus 2i plus 8i squared over 1 minus 4i plus 4i, which will eventually cancel out, minus 116i squared. So, down. Now, combine like terms, so we can combine negative 12i and negative 2i, and we can also cancel this out because negative 4i plus 4i cancel each other out. So then we're left with 3 minus 114i plus 8i squared over 1 minus 116i squared. So in complex numbers, I squared is equal to negative 1. So we can input that into our I. So 3 minus 114 negative 1 plus 8 negative 1 squared over 1 minus 116 negative 1 squared. So here, and then we are left with 3 minus 114i minus 8 over, over 1 plus 116, because negative 1 squared would be positive 1. So our answer would be negative 5 minus 114i over 17, which can then be also written as negative 5 over 117 and negative 114i over 117. And this would be our final answer.